Hey, it's Marco, and in this video I'm going to show you how to find missing tab on YouTube channels. So what you want to do is open up your YouTube app, and this works for either iPhone and Android. So open up any channel. As you can see, it used to be on the right side on the community, but it's not here anymore. Where you need to click is on this arrow where it says the channel features Australian man. This arrow you need to click, you can find it under videos. If I click on that, as you can see, this is where the about the channel is now hidden or placed. You can see the description, links, more information, when you join, views, and etc. And this pretty much works with any channel. You would just go to the channel, click on the arrow, and boom, you can see everything from here. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like, comment, subscribe.